Hi there guys, Scott here from RV Travelling Husbands. Now I was asked if the optional instantaneous hot water takes up any extra room over the standard hot water. The answer to that is I'm not really sure because I didn't take the drawers apart, but I'll show you quickly. I'll turn the camera around, but the drawers themselves are still the same size. So it looks to me like it would take up roughly the exact same room, but here we go. So coming inside, now as you can see, that's where the hot water sits. Now from what we're seeing on other photos, that looks to be taking up the same amount of room. Now when you take out the drawer is full size and it still goes all the way to the back. So as far as I can see, it doesn't take up any extra room. I hope that solves any questions. Thanks.